everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1966 Caprice. Guys, 52,000 original miles on this car. Documented history. Very cool car. I bought it locally from some guys up at the Frankenmuth show. Matter of fact, I got to get this in. Their little Italian buddy put this deal together. Made me promise I'd say that in the video. But very cool car. You can see it's finished in Artesian turquoise. The majority of this car is actually the original paint. All original interior. They have done some spot work on the car. But like I say, the majority of the paint on the car is actually original. Really cool history on the car. Again, the ownership is documented on the car. We have a copy of the original title. We've got the original build sheet. But this car came out off the East Coast. I can't remember what he said. Either a doctor or an attorney bought this car from his wife with like 40-some thousand miles in 1997. He took this car to a restoration shop. They pulled the engine, they pulled the trans, they went through all the suspension, and went back, I guess, through the car, because obviously the car's done a lot of sitting. And then there's 52,000 miles on it now, so there's not 5,000 miles on the car since that was done. But killer car, runs and drives excellent. If you're looking for an original car, I think you're going to love this car. You can see it's got the original T3 headlights. Is there some things you're going to notice in the paint? Absolutely. It's the original paint, guys. But the chrome and stainless is excellent on the car. And again, this stuff's original. When we get inside and you see, I'm not sure what that is. That's going to come off, guys. It's a little something on it. When you get inside and you see the interior is beautiful, man. It is gorgeous. But there is some spots on the paint or blemishes in the paint that we can show you. But like I say, great car. Turnkey. Drive it wherever you want to go. My son, when we bought it up at the show, it's about a 45-minute ride back here to our shop. He drove it. The car just hit the road great. Love the color. Artesian turquoise, I believe is what this is called. All the original factory soft ray glass on this car. For you guys who like original, you're going to love this car. And it is slick. Again, as you can see, as you walk around the car, you're going to see some little blemishes like that. Little touch-up marks. It's not horrendous, but like I say, don't think that it's the majority of the original paint. Painted on pinstripe here. They've obviously added, it's got BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines on it I love the 15-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. Look how nice the chrome, the stainless is, and all that stuff is original. This car is really a time capsule. All original body panels. Great car. Got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Original 327, 275 horse engine. Again, that's been gone through 5,000 miles ago. There's documentation for all that, as well as all the front suspension and everything. I think there's even a couple pictures of the car with the engine out of it. Stock 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got manual drum brakes, which is original. This car is just slick. Original powerglide automatic transmission. Wait till you see the interior. But you can tell somebody has loved this car. Again, this is all original. Look how nice is that? That stuff's original, guys. Door skins are nice and clean. Look how this interior in this car is beautiful. I can't remember what this is called, but it's got that pillowy factory interior in it. Factory bench seat. Look how nice the dash is. Original Fisher body seat belts in it. Look how nice the headliner is. I mean, this car is a time capsule. It's beautiful. 52/828. Even when you start it in the morning, the cold light comes on. It functions. AM radio works. The only thing I don't know, the clock. I don't know if it works. Look at the original wood grain. Your owner's manuals and stuff are in there. The dash is beautiful. Look how clean the gauges are. Blower motor works. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. It's got the factory jack with the spare. They've got a redline radio spare in here. As you can see, it's got all the original numbers on your quarters and everything. It's all spackle coated, and I believe the majority that's actually original. It may all be original too, guys. Again, here's a book that came with the car. There's a build sheet for it. This is just a listing out. There's the original A title. And then as you go through it, there's like the ownership. There's some of the pictures we talk about. And here's, like I say, when they talk about this restoration shop in New Jersey, what they did to the car. And it's all itemized in there. Very cool little history on this car. But again, just a little time capsule. Nice and clean underneath. But really, turn the key and drive it. Look how nice those doors are. Again, I love this interior. Super comfortable. I had a red one of these years ago, and it was a good car too. That is a pretty car. Look at the steering wheel. That is how a 52,000 mile car should look. I'll tell you that right now. It's just my handprint there. Just fires right up. Like I said, it gets the road. We had it on the expressway at 80 miles an hour. Drives out awesome. If you say, hey, what could you spend some money on? If you wanted, you could upgrade it to disc brakes. I don't know if I'd do that because this car's so original. I'd probably leave it alone. Doors open and shut great. down. They did upgrade the exhaust. Radio does work. You gotta turn it on, it'll sit on there for a second, then it powers up. Blower motor all works. I almost feel like that clock kind of moves. It just might be super slow, but I don't know. Again, doors open and close beautifully. And all the original T3 headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a pretty car, man.